Good morning, students. Today is your next chapter is start, and this is the second chapter of second term, first chapter, and the name of the chapter is fractions. You know what is fractions? Fractions is a one or more equal parts of a whole object. Means when we take one object and we have to divide the object into one or more equal parts, and then we express the object into a fractions. Okay, understood? Okay, that fractions are one or more equal parts of a whole object. Understood? For example, we will take a circle. This is a circle, okay, and I will divide into 4 equal parts. Means this is a whole object and I will divide into the 4 equal parts. Means we have to express these in a fraction, and I will color the 2 equal parts. Understood? Then what the fraction is, we will express the fractions as we put the there is 2 things in the fraction. The upper number is called the numerator and the lower number is called the denominator. Okay, so when how will we express the object into a fractions? So we calculate this, we divide the parts for 4 equal parts. Means we write the 4 in the lower part. Understood? And I will color it 2 equal parts, I will color. Okay, then we write the 2. Means the object is divided into 2 upon 4. Means the 2 is the numerator and 4 is equal denominator. Okay, understood? What is numerator and what is denominator? The upper part is called the numerator and the lower part is called the denominator. And the lower part is lower part we have written that what a object will be divided. I will divide the object into the 4 equal parts. Then the denominator is 4 and I will color it 2 equal parts. Means the 2 is the numerator. Understood? Notice fractions. And then the types of fraction. What is the types of fractions? There are the 3 types of fractions. Understood? Means number 1 will be unit fractions. What is unit fraction? You know what is unit fraction? I will tell you. The number which has 1 on the numerator is called unit fractions. Understood? What is unit fraction? Means, for example, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 7, etc. and etc. Means I have tell you that the number which has 1 on the numerator, means the number which has 1 on the upper side, is called the unit fractions. Understood? The next will be like fractions. What are like fractions? The numbers which have same denominator, means the lower part of all the numbers will be the same, is called like fractions. Understood? For example, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 7 upon 5. This is like fraction because all the numerators are all the denominators are same. Understood? And now the last and third one is unlike fractions. What is unlike fractions? Any guesses? Don't worry, I will tell you. Unlike fractions is the number which have different denominator. Means all the number have different denominator is called the unlike fractions. Okay. Understood everybody? Example 2 upon 6, 4 upon 8, 9 upon 12. This is the unlike fraction because it is all the number have different denominators. Understood everyone? Now your class work.